Hey, fourth grade, it's Mrs. Hoffman here, and today I'm excited to show you a new tech tool called Padlet. We're going to use it for our economics lesson today, but we might find other times to use it this year as well, so we can always come back to this video and watch it again if we need to for our directions to using the tech tool. So for today, on your Google Classroom, you're going to find a link to our Padlet. When you click on that link, it's going to look like this. Looks kind of fun, right? Okay, the first thing I want you to do, and you probably only need to do this today for the first time, but I want you to look up in the top corner over here and make sure you log in. Okay, and when you log in, it's going to come up with choices, and we're going to log in with our Google accounts, just like you log into everything else with Google. You guys know how to do this. I want you to go ahead and log in with Google for this particular tech tool. Okay, so once you're logged in and you're back on our Padlet, that is then going to help me so that when you add to this, I know who you are and I can see that you've submitted. Okay, so this Padlet is already set up for our lesson today, and I'm going to show you how you can add in your comments to the things or the topics. So if you notice right now, we're talking about problems to solve at home, problems to solve in our community, and our business idea, and that goes right along with our lesson today. And when we do this, we're going to do this whole group, so you don't need to be worried about necessarily doing it by yourself, but I just want to show you through this video. So you'll notice right here, I posted, it has my name, and it gives a little more detailed directions. In this column, I want you to add a problem that happens in your house daily that needs a solution that doesn't already exist. So you have a couple options. You can comment on mine, you can like mine, or you can add your own. And that's what I'm going to want you to do. So you'll notice below this column is a plus sign. You're going to click that plus sign. You're going to give it a title, which you could easily make your name. You'll notice though right now, this says anonymous right here, and that's where it'll say your name when you log in. So if for some reason you forget to log in, you could always type your name as the title, okay? Or you could just title this one as my house problem that I'm trying to solve, okay? So then you're gonna tell me a problem that you have going on in your house right now. It could be anything you want, and you're gonna type it in there. It could be that you wake up to noises in the middle of the night. So you're going to have to try to think what type of solution you could do for that. Okay. Now, other times I might ask you to put a picture in here or even record yourself in here. And so if you look down here, there's all these other options like the camera button, the link, the upload, and we've used those tools before. So that's something else that you can do. Okay, now I'm all done with this one, but you'll notice right here it says requires approval. So there's no submit button or anything like that. I'm just going to click off of it and notice that it stays there, but the rest of your classmates aren't going to be able to see it until I allow or hit approve on my end. So just so you know, if you see this, don't worry, it's on there, you're good to go. You just have to wait for your teacher to approve it. So you're going to do that in each of the columns and fill in your answers. When you're done, you are going to have an opportunity to comment on your classmates. So for that, if you are going to see that as this will get longer and longer, you'll scroll all the way down. There'll be lots of ideas from all of your classmates. And when you find one that you've liked or a business idea you might want to join, you're going to add a comment. So if you look at the box that has mine in it and you click add comment, you could say, I like this idea too. Okay, and then this one has this little arrow, and now you've submitted your comment. Okay, so those are the things that I want you to know about Padlet. I'm excited for us to start using it today, and I think it'll be a lot of fun.